Okay, I'll do that then. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put this mask on real fast. Okay, I got the mask on. Whoa, that's a big spider. So enter right here. So I got my bucket. Oh, this is for small people. I gotta crawl. I gotta crawl. Trick or treat? Whoa. Trick or treat? Spider-Man. Hello? Spider-Man, what you doing? I'm Spider-Man too. You see my mask? Oh. Oh, wow. Thank you, Spider-Man. Oh, right. I got fidget spinner. This way? Where oh, no. I'm lost. What? Oh, this is not the way out? Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm lost in a maze. And it's... Ah! Let go! Ah!
Welcome to SuperBaby Colors.
SuperBaby? SuperBaby? Where are you, SuperBaby? SuperBaby? Where are you? SuperBaby? Oh! There you are! What you doing there?
I'm hiding from you because it's trick or treat time.
Trick or treat, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have your candy bucket?
Yeah. Look right here.
Where?
Down.
Huh? Where? Oh, there it is! Alright. Okay, I got your costume. The Spider-Man costume. Go ahead and put it on because it's getting dark, okay? So we need to put it on. And make sure, no, it's getting dark, so we need to go quick before it gets too dark. It'll be too scary.
My mask.
Okay. That's a big costume. That's a big Spider-Man costume.
You look fabulous.
Yeah. Okay, get your bucket. Let's go. Come on. It's getting dark, so hurry up. Come on, follow me. I know this cool place. Come on, follow me. Come on. Come on. Follow me. Here it is. You scared of the spider? You see the spider? You see the spider right there?
Yeah.
Huh? You scared? It said enter, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go in. Come on. Let's go in. Let's go in.
Wait, Dad,
Yeah.
let me go restroom, okay?
Oh, you go restroom? Yeah, I'll hold your candy bucket for you. Yeah.
And also my mask because I can't see where I can hold it, okay?
Okay.
I'll go to the exit.
Okay. Oh, okay. You want me to follow you and then go trick treating for you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do that then. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put this mask on real fast. Okay, I got the mask on. Whoa, that's a big spider. So enter right here. So I got my bucket. Oh, this is for small people. I gotta crawl. I gotta crawl. Whoa, this is amazing here. Wow. Let me go. Oh, the ATM. They might have good candy there. Let's go trick or treat. Trick or treat. Huh? Hello?
Hello?
Trick or treat?
Yeah?
Trick or treat? Yes. Okay, it's Halloween. Can I have candy, please?
Yeah, this is me. I'm the snake.
Oh, hi, Snakey. Hi, can I have candy, please, Snakey?
Okay, here's your snake. Okay.
Wow, soda. Oh, thank you. Can you throw it in? Yeah, there you go. Oh, right. I got a soda. Wow, this is a cool ATM. It gave me a soda. Wow, thank you, Snakey. Wow, so now I gotta go to the McDonald one. Alright, I'm at McDonald. Hello? Trick or treat. Oh! R2D2?
BBA.
Oh, BBA. Hi, BBA. Oh, BBA. BBA, you okay? What happened? BBA, where you going? You fall. Ah! You just fell right now, BBA. Are you okay? BBA, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, great.
Your bucket.
Okay, here. I'll put you back in.
Bucket and thing.
Okay, I'll put you in there.
Magic.
Okay, I'll put you there. Okay?
Magic. What's up?
Okay, I got my bucket here. Here you go.
That magic.
Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Thank you, BBA, for the fidget spinner.
No, wait, one thing.
One more?
The magic begins.
I'll let the magic begin. What is it? Whoa. A chocolate candy. Gold candy. Oh, thank you, BBA from McDonald. Here you go. Okay, now I gotta keep on moving now. This maze is big. Now I gotta go to the iPhone maze. The iPhone vending machine. Let's see if I get the iPhone vending machine. Okay, I'm at the iPhone vending machine. And I got some good treat. I got a Coca-Cola, a fidget spinner, and a chocolate candy. Wow, that was good. What is that? Hello? Trick or treat? Trick or treat? Hello? Anybody there? Hello? I'm knocking there. I'm knocking. Hello? Oh! Buzz Lightning! Huh? Buzz Lightning! Buzz Lightning!
Buzzman is here.
Oh wow, Buzzman! Trick or treat?
Trick or treat, here it comes.
Do I come closer to you?
Closer.
Uh-huh.
The thing right here.
Okay. Oh, right here? Okay.
Closer.
Huh?
Closer. Closer.
Huh? Ah! Wait, punch me! Ah! Wait, pinning me! Ah! Ah! Buzz Lightning!
Closer.
I want a candy!
Closer.
Yeah.
Closer. They put in candy.
Oh wow! Look at that! Wow! I got a snack! A yogurt! Oh right! Thank you! Buzz Lightning, where you at? Can I have an iPhone X too? Buzz Lightning?
iPhone X is not.
Huh? What happened? What, Buzz? Buzz Lightning? Huh? Buzz Lightning?
You're still here?
Yeah. Can
Candy.
you got no more candy? But can I have an iPhone X, please?
Go for next vending machine.
The next vending machine? Okay. Oh, but can I have a high five, please? High five. Let's high five. Oh, down here. All right. Bye. Hey, Buzz Lightning was cool, huh? So he gave me like a yogurt. All right. Thank you, Buzz Lightning. Well, now we gotta move on to the next. Now we gotta move on to the pizza vending machine. Okay. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. You again? Sneaky.
My same vending machine.
I'm at the pizza vending machine, Sneaky. And you were at the... What other vending machine you were? Oh, the ATM, yeah. Let me push, can I... trick or treat, Sneaky.
Put your bucket right here.
Oh, okay.
Lower.
Okay.
Lower.
Wow. Capri Sun. Thank you, Sneaky. Thank you. Hey, you the cool way.
Closer again.
Come closer where? Right here?
Closer.
Right here? Why you hit me, Sneaky? Why you do that? Okay, Sneaky. Oh, okay. Bye-bye, Sneaky. Ooh, you scary looking. Let's go. Look what we got. We got Capri Sun, a soda, and a chocolate candy, and what is it called? A yogurt. All right, now we at the shoes vending machine. Okay, I'm at the shoe vending machine. Trick or treat. Let me push a button. Oh.
Hello?
Ooh. Hello? Trick or treat.
Spider-Man on the way.
Spider-Man on the way? What Spider-Man?
Spider-Man.
Where? Oh, hi, Spider-Man. Trick or treat? Trick or treat? Spider-Man. Hello? Spider-Man, what you doing? I'm Spider-Man too. You see my mask? Oh, wow. Thank you, Spider-Man. All right, I got fidget spinner. It glow in the dark. Wow. Spider-Man, let go. Spider-Man. Thank you, Spider-Man. Wow. What? More? Wow. Kindle egg too? Oh, wow. Huh? Spider-Man, you took my treat. Spider-Man, can I have that? Oh, what? Oh, what? What is? Spider-Man, what? Everything's falling off from the sky, Spider-Man. What are you doing? You've been climbing the house, huh? You've been climbing around the building. Okay, I got Kindle egg and a fidget spinner. Oh, and a Pokeball? Oh, what? I got a Pokeball too. Thank you, Spider-Man. Wow, look at that. Oh, where'd he go? Wow, I got a fidget spinner. That is cool. A glow-in-the-dark fidget spinner. That's awesome. Spider-Man is cool from the shoes vending machine. Wow.
One thing.
Oh, what happened?
One thing.
What?
iPhone X.
Yeah.
It's from that iPhone X store over there.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's the. Oh, yeah. Can you high five, please? High five. Ah, why you hit me, Spider-Man? I have a high five, not hit me. Ah. Oh, you're scary. Oh, I'm going. Oh no. Oh, BBA! I'm lost. I need to get out of here. I came in the. I don't know where I came in from. I'm lost. Yeah, I'll put you back. I'll put you back in your McDonald's. There we go. Okay. Did I come in this way? Where? Oh no, I'm lost. What? Oh, this is not the way out. Oh no! Oh no, I'm lost in a maze. And this. Ah! Let go! Ah! That was scary. That was scary. I'm lost in the maze. I can't escape. Spider-Man, help me. There's a big Spider-Man chasing me. Hello, Spider-Man? Oh, there he is! Ah! Phew. Gotta hide. I need to find a way out. I can't get out of here. How I get? Oh, there's an open spot. Here you go. I gotta crawl. Okay, almost got it. Woo-wee! Whew, I made it out. That was scary. Oh, there's not a way out here? Oh, I didn't know that. Oh.
Daddy, I'm down at the restroom. You there? I'm going inside. Let's see here. You in here? Nope. You in here? Nope. You in here? Nope. Nope. Where's my dad?
Okay. What take Tiger so long? Yeah, I hear something. I hear something. It's coming from in there. Huh? Tiger, are you in there? Huh? Did Tiger went? Okay, Tiger, I'm coming. It's a big maze. You can get lost in there. I'm coming. I'm crawling under. Tiger? Tiger? Tiger, where you at? I can't. Tiger? SuperBaby? 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 Where's he at? You played trick on Daddy. This is a big maze, huh? I got lost.
I heard you that you were scared something was in here.
Yeah, there was something in there. It looked like a big Spider-Man.
No, let me see this.
Yeah.
Spider-Man Pro took him down.
Oh, he did? High five, Brian. Good job. Okay, SuperBaby. Guess what?
What?
I got a lot of candy from all the vending machine. Yeah.
Wait, what is this?
Huh? There's a way out here? What? Really? What? There's a way out? What? The whole time I was stuck in there and I couldn't find a way out, SuperBaby. But look what I got. Look all the candy.
Wow.
You like it?
Kindle.
Yeah, Kindle.
Put these and this.
And chocolate. Yeah, a chocolate. What is that called?
Chocolate thing.
Yeah, chocolate, like a chocolate candy. Yeah. Want to eat that?
Yeah.
Okay. But I got Capri Sun.
Dad,
Yeah.
I feel like I want to take off my suit because I'm hot in this.
Oh yeah, take your suit out. I'm done trick treating for you already. So if you wanna go back to trick treating? No, you done too? Yeah, because I don't go in that maze again. That's a I get lost in there, so I don't wanna go back in there again. Yeah, you get lost in there. And a Pokeball. Look, also a Pokeball too. That was cool. All right, that's it. Happy Halloween, SuperBaby. So now it's getting dark. So now what we gonna do? Go sleep soon. Gotta get ready for school. Yeah, fun Halloween. Yeah. So what you say?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, SuperBaby Colors. Make sure to subscribe and like me. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Happy Halloween, kids.